So we're going to do a MacBook 2011 hard drive replacement. First thing you're going to do is remove the following 10 screws. This will take a Phillips number 0, 00 actually. So you take those 10 screws out there. Then you'll use your fingers to pry the lower case away from the body of the MacBook near the vent. Remove the lower case. Use the edge of the spudger to try to pry the battery out. You want to always take the battery out. And right there is where you'll see the hard drive goes in. You want to first you want to take the 2 Phillips screws and remove those, securing the hard drive bracket to the upper case. So that's what I'm doing now. Once you got those screws out, remove the hard drive bracket and then use the attached cable to attach your new hard drive. That's your hard drive cable. Then you want to just secure that bracket back in. And congratulations. You've pretty much just installed a new hard drive. So now you put your bottom case back on and use your Phillips screwdriver number 00 and put your 10 Phillips screws back in the bottom of the case. And you have completed pretty much installing a hard drive. We'll have another video which shows you how to install an operating system on that hard drive. Most hard drives you do install into these computers do not have any operating system installed, so we'll do another video on that, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. But thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, like the video. That helps us get good ratings on YouTube, and we're just a new channel starting out, so we appreciate the likes and comments, man. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, we do lots of giveaways. We're gonna be doing some pranks. We're gonna have a lot of different little tips and tech-ish type talk podcasts that we'll be doing on here. So yeah, straight DMV style, hip hop, urban. It's a little different from your average tech channel. But we here and we ain't going nowhere, man. So thanks for tuning in.